Hi people, I got some of these little mini brands Really Works vinyls. I've had them on pre-order. They finally arrived today, so I'm excited to open them. 3 of them. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to open them all in one video, so we might do multiple, but I got these mainly because I want the little Britney Spears ones, because anyone that knows anything about me knows I'm a huge Brit nerd. I love Britney. I've loved her since she came out, and yeah, I would like to have the little tiny Britney ones to add to my collection. So far, this is a lot easier to open than any of the other balls have been, which is surprising because, you know, in the past, the other balls are kind of difficult to open. Ooh. It smells. It's like, hey, smell. Then I remember this isn't smell-o-vision. Alright. I'm a little weird. It's fine. Alright, let's. I love the crunchy sensory sound. And we got Mr. Freddy here. He's gonna help me, maybe. Alright, let's see if we got our Britney ones. Hopefully. Oh, they're little headphones. I didn't know they would come with little headphones. How cute. They're even too small for Mr. Freddy. That's adorable. Ah, so cute. Alright. What do we have? This is, whoa, that's long. Wasn't the first time I pulled something out and said that. Anyway, I'm here for all the weird, awful dad jokes. I guess these are all of the vinyls that they have. And I know that they have 3 Britney ones, which I'm so excited about. Why don't they show her on... I don't see her on these ones. Man. And this is series 1, so she should be in here, but maybe she's a rare. I see Kendrick Lamar, that's cool, but I don't see any Britney on here. But let's open up and see what we got. I'm gonna be so sad if I got all 3 balls and no Britneys. I like the little cardboard packaging. What did we get? What did we get? Okay, I think is this a Fall Out Boy? I think. If so, yup. Alright, this one's going straight to my daughter. She loves her some Fall Out Boy, and she just graduated high school too, so very proud of her, and I'm glad I got something that she will appreciate. Even if it wasn't my Britney, I'm glad I got something for her. So, let's see who else we got. Who is this guy? Benson Boone. Okay. I don't know who he is, but cool. It's sad. Where's my Britney? Give me Britney. Okay, who's next? Who's next? Okay. The mamas and the papas. They're cool, I guess. Yeah, that's cool. It's not Britney. Damn. Another one. I guess you get 4 vinyls per ball. Imagine Dragons. I mean, at least I got the Fall Out Boy one for my daughter. Let me open up the other balls, and so I can open up all the little vinyls. Otherwise, we're gonna be here all day. So hold on, I'll be right back. Alright. So, oh, dropped my ball and I thought it stopped recording. Okay, we got the other one. Open, hold on. I love that noise. Alright, let's see what we got. There better be a Britney in here. Better be a Britney. I think they're all the same, maybe? Are these the same papers? Yeah, they're the same papers. Alright, let's see. So I got Britney. No. Sting, My Songs. Okay. This is making me very, very sad. Okay, what's next? Who's next? Who is it? Hands? I don't know. Let me look on here. Like, who are these hands? Down Marion Hill. I'm old. I've never heard of this person. Maybe it's an old person. Maybe it's a new person. Who knows? I don't know, obviously. It's Britney? No. What is this? I can't even read that. From Nowhere, the Trogs? Let's see. Wild Thing, the Trogs. Okay, that's cool, I guess. This is getting very disappointing. I'm gonna cry. I wanted Britney. Oh, this looks like, what is this? Leonard Skinner. Second Helping. Alright. So far, none of these are Britney. They don't even, I don't know, why would they have, like in all the little advertisements, they had the Britney ones, but I don't see her on the list right here. Alright, let me open this open up this other ball, and I'll show you guys what's in that ball. Alright, now we got the last one that I got open, so hold on. I like the noise it makes. Alright, let's see what we got. What is this? Little, aw, cute, it's like a little stand. I guess she put it together. And you put your little vinyls on it. That's cute, I like that. Okay, let's put that to the side. I'll assemble that later. Oh man. Alright, let's see. Again, all the same one. I'm gonna be so mad if there's no Britney. I will feel like false advertisement and I will cry. Maybe. Let's see what we got. Another Sting, My Songs. Man, I did not buy these for Sting. Or any of these others. I bought them for Britney. Oh, what? Another Sting. What is this? Sting 10 something tail. I can't read that small. I'm getting irritated now. Okay. It's this one. My Turn. Let's see. What is that? Like, I don't know that one. I don't even see it on here. Huh. Oh, there it is. Oh. Whoa. Lil Baby. Man, I don't give a fuck about no Lil Baby. Give me Britney. Another Sting. So, overall, I'm just gonna say that I'm very disappointed in this. And, I continued my search for little tiny Britney vinyls.